welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today it is my birthday. So I have decided to make my own birthday cake, and I didn't want to spend tons of time making it and on my birthday, so I decided to make something fairly simple but still really delicious. So I'm combining two of my very favorite flavor combinations, and that is peanut butter and chocolate. I know I'm American, but I'm really looking forward to this, so let's get started.
I stick the cake down to the cake board. This is peanut butter cake, and I fill it with dark chocolate ganache that hasn't quite set up yet. Then I frost the cake with peanut butter frosting. And I cleaned up the cake board. I put some ganache into a piping bag without a tip, and I piped on a drip onto the side of the cake. And I covered the top of the cake with ganache, but it wasn't very smooth, so I smoothed it out with a spatula. It wasn't the most perfect drip I've ever made, but it looked really indulgent and gooey. Then I piped a few swirls around the top of the cake with peanut butter frosting. As a final touch, I cut some peanut butter cups into quarters. And place them on top of the swirls. This is such an indulgent cake and really didn't take much time at all to make. The perfect birthday cake. Happy birthday to me! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week.